Hi, my name is Femi. I'd like to show you around my virtual computing teacher, which is based on Amazon Sumerian. Essentially, the virtual teacher goes through the course, which is slides driven by messages emitted within the behaviors in the different state machines, and then there are questions powered by an Amazon Lexbot. After answering the questions, the virtual teacher will compare your answers to the right answers and then proceed to the next section. Let's take a look now with just 5 slides.
Name is Sophia. I'm your virtual teacher. I will be teaching you computing basics and also help you to revise what I teach you. You are welcome to this course. I do hope you enjoy learning with me. This course will include sections when I will ask you questions. To get those sections started, press your spacebar and just tell me to go ahead and ask the questions. So let's start. We start with some basic meanings. What is an algorithm? You use code to tell a computer what to do. Before you write code, you need an algorithm. An algorithm is a list of rules to follow in order to solve a problem. Algorithms need to have their steps in the right order. Think about an algorithm for getting dressed in the morning. What if you put on your coat before your jumper? Your jumper would be on top of your coat, and that would be silly. When you write an algorithm, the order of the instructions is very important. What is code? When you learn to code, you can make things happen on your computer. You can make anything you want with code. It could be a game, some pictures, or a film. Computer code is a set of rules or instructions. It is made up of words and numbers, and when you put them in the right order, it will tell your computer what you want it to do. You can program lots of things with code. What are computer bugs? When you write code, it's easy to make a mistake. Coding mistakes are called bugs. Imagine you have written some code to make a game. You want your robot to move forwards when you press the arrow key, but the robot goes backwards. When your code goes wrong, you need to check your algorithm and then check your code. When you have found and fixed your mistakes, you can try the game again. How do you program a robot? Robots are machines. There are lots of types of robots. They move in different ways and do all kinds of jobs. Because a robot is a machine, we have to program it to do things. It only does what we tell it to do. How do computer games work? There are lots of types of computer games. You can solve puzzles, make things run and jump, drive a car, or play a sport. Computer games work by setting a task you need to do. When you finish one task, you can move on to a new one. When you make a game, you can decide what the tasks are and set the rules. You can make a computer game using code. Now press your spacebar and just tell me to go ahead and ask the questions.
Go ahead.
1. What are coding mistakes called?
Bugs.
2. A list of rules to follow in order to solve a problem is called?
Algorithm.
3. What is a set of rules or instructions made up of words and numbers?
Code.
4. What do you use to make a computer game?
Code.
Wonderful. Let's go through your answers. 1. What are coding mistakes called? Your answer was bugs. The answer is bugs. 2. What is a list of rules to follow in order to solve a problem? Your answer was Olive Garden. The answer is algorithm. 3. What is a set of rules or instructions made up of words and numbers? Your answer was code. The answer is code. 4. What do you use to make a computer game? Your answer was good. The answer is code. Press the A button to continue the course. Very good. You have completed this section. Now let's start the next section.
And that's essentially it. Thank you for your time.